Hey everybody, welcome to the Shark Scrapper channel, where we're on a mission to look at what a beautiful day. We're on a mission to have a beautiful day. Now we're on a mission to get stuff out of the waste stream and into a resale, reuse, or recycle stream. Now we don't take vacuums because there's so much plastic that the yard frequently does not like them. Plus there's all kinds of nasty associated with them. But we do like the cord from them, and this cord has already been cut. Interesting, very interesting. We don't get too many people out on this in this neighborhood, so it might have been the homeowner that did that. But if I see a lot of a lot of appliances with cut cords, then I'll know that there's a cord cutter in the neighborhood. Come on, let's dive in and find out. Sometimes that's aluminum or pot metal, so I want to check it. And sometimes it's just plaster. It's not magnetic. Not magnetic. So they may be hot metal. They're relatively heavy. So I'm gonna put them back here for now. Keep them separate. And now this wire here is probably tin coated copper, so you want to keep that separate. Put that with your number 2 copper. And yes, I saw that one that fell down. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Don't worry. Oh, and a metal file cabinet. Anything else hiding? Hiding in there? Nope. Pencil. Doorknob. This thing wants to fall apart on me. I'm gonna put you down because you want to fall apart. We can always tip you up if we need to for the space. We have a lot of stuff here. Now then, you are a really cheap. Yeah, I wouldn't be cooking anything on you, man. Daggone, that is so... Oh, and look at how they got this thing put together here. Man. Ooh, sorry about that. Alright, so, step 1, cut the regulator off. Dirty aluminum, breakage. But, man, this thing is in bad shape. That's a fire starter right there. That's what that is. And I suppose I could probably try to bust that off because that's going to be aluminum there too. Oh well. Oh, look at what we have there. This looks like this has all the suggestions of a move out. These guys are going to be going with my cast, so I don't think I'm going to put these in the back. All right. I know they take these without any trouble. And they'll probably take these guys because that's a lot of metal relative to material. They'll even do the umbrella like that. A lot of times I like to take that material off, but I'm not going to worry about it right now. I'm not going to take you. That for some reason these trampolines like this give them a hard time. I don't quite understand why. Oh, ironing board. We haven't had one of you all for a while. I don't know what that is. Got a whole bunch of purses and stuff down there. Let's see, what do we got over here? Panasonic. Looks like an old laser disc. Oh, old chair. You can definitely get the old chair. This is good stuff in a shop. I don't quite need it for my shop, so I'm going to take it, but oh man, I wonder if they would take that. See, these always cause me some challenges because there's a new guy working the shred pile and I haven't quite figured him out yet. And he doesn't know me that well yet either. So we have a lot of, I'm not quite certain kind of things here. And when I come up against not quite certain kind of things, I default to don't take them until I get to know this guy. You know, you would think that the standards would just be the standards, right? But it's like, they're not. And I think too, a lot of it can change depending upon how much material they have. So if they have a lot of material, they might become more selective about what they let you bring in. And then when the pile gets really low, they might get a tad bit more. Get off of there, you noodles. You noodles. You're metal. You're plastic. All right, now that's that. That's a cord. No, that's just that's not a cord. All right, and there's a cinder block down there. I'm thinking I might grab that cinder block. Yep. Cinder block might get offloaded at the secret location. All right. Yeah, that and that other one, they're like on that edge of not quite sure if they'll take it or not. So I'm gonna leave that. Well, those people have their recycle bin full of good recyclables. That's the right kind of stuff to have in there. You guys ought to be in there too. Unless there's just no place for you. There you go. Put you there like that. All right, now. You might be saying to yourself, Sharky, why are you taking the cover off of that one, but you didn't take it off of the other one? Yeah, because it's sort of like the cumulative effect thing that goes on when I take material in. That little one didn't have a whole lot of material. That's not going to give them any grief at all. But this bigger one, that's just, they're going to look at that and they're going to say, nope. They might still take it because it's really not that much material relative to the weight of the steel. But you just never know. Now, I'm not taking the heater. Those are mostly plastic. All right, get a move on. All right, well, this one does not have its cord cut. Cord food. Okay, well, thank goodness that's just the recycle dude. You are wood. I'm not going to take you, but we will take you. You fold up nice and flat. There we go. More cord food. Hoover. It's my European friends. Or is it all Europe or just the UK where they refer to these as Hoovers? That one, well, this one actually is a Hoover, so. It's a naked umbrella. Naked umbrella. Bunch of stuff down in the storm drain. Well, I see a bed frame, so that's a start. Oh, we got wire, so I'm gonna need to get my schnips. All right, now then, we could put a couple of these in. Doesn't feel right putting all of them in with the shred. I don't know, we'll see. They are pretty heavy though, so they're gonna have a pretty good magnet. Some metal in there. We gotta see what's in that tote. I bet you that's a Christmas tree. Yep, Christmas tree. Huh. That tote is empty. I think we may take that. We could probably put that to good use. Tempted to grab the tree. Usually they don't have an issue with me throwing parts of Christmas trees in, but I wonder if an entire Christmas tree would be problematic. Oh, Oh, you're an old Coleman stove. I remember you guys. I used to go camping. That one's seen better days. I've seen better days. Bunch of wood paneling. Basket. There's another plastic tote. Cracked. Cracked. Books, books. Nursing school. Running. I used to love running. Jeff Galloway training book, really? Oh man, that is so cool. Yeah, Jeff Galloway. So when I first started running marathons, I know you all find it hard to believe that I used to run marathons, but I used to run marathons, and I followed Jeff Galloway's training program, and just did, I mean, it was a great program. Excellent training program. So I don't know if any of you out there are thinking about running a marathon, check out Jeff Galloway's training stuff, because it really works. It's funny, it's 80 degrees right now. When I got up this morning before the sun came up, it was 73. Now it's 80. It's gonna be a warm day. All right, let's see, what do we got going on here? Ooh, we got another bed frame. Oh, there it was. Anything else over here? Nope. Bed. Yeah, baby gate. Baby gate, pet gate, some kind of gate. Old person gate. Yeah, I said it. I said it. Watch, now we're going to find, you know, we're going to come across some place now that's got washer, dryer, oven, refrigerator, everything just waiting. Interesting. All right, well, we're going to send this to my friend Mike. What do you say there, Mike? You need that? You ready for that? Oh, man. I'm an evil son of a gun. Got some little metal bits here. Somebody was doing some home redecorating, apparently. A whole bunch of swatches there. Little bow saw for cutting wood. There's a lead acid battery. And there's a little horsey unicorn. A bunch of metal stuff here. I'm gonna come back and get you. Looks like this was probably an outdoor kind of garden planter arrangement thing. judging from all the rust. I mean, it looks like it was a garden planter and it was outside in the weather and got all rusted up. That's what it looks like. There we go. Get trash out of the street. All right. That'll do it. That'll do. Corn food. Plastic. Christmas tree stand, I think, or something like that. Whatever it is, it's heavy. Oh man, that's good and heavy. Ooh. Hey y'all, how's it going? I am doing awesome, thank you. Let's see, now we're at 81. Temperature keeps going up. All those clouds rolling in too, so we might get some rain. That would cool things off a little bit. Let's see now, what do we have here? What do we have here? We're gonna stop the engine for this one. We might be here a while. Probably. An old workbench or shelf or something that somebody made and didn't want anymore. Let's come back for the brolly here in a minute. Get rid of this first. Oh, this was interesting. So you see the heat exchanger there, and there's a sealed unit in that box. It was just laying out on the curb, but there were some chillins around, so I couldn't record. Here we go. Takes care of that quick enough. We'll be putting a keeper strap over everything before we head off on the high-speed roads. Let's see. Anything else? Somebody got rid of all they're tired of being out in the mosquitoes or something, I guess. Yeah, we're definitely going to have to be tying some stuff down now. Because that's not going to stay in there once we get moving. Whoops, get in there. Let's see, what do we have here? We got some cord food, but, oh, it's a little Christmas thing. Like a little gingerbread Christmas display thing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I hear the truck a-coming. It's coming round the bend. And I ain't seen no scraps since I don't know when. Yep. I think that's a bulk truck too. We gotta get out the way. Gotta get out the way. Hey y'all, man, it was a fun day. It was beautiful, not too hot yet. We got a pretty good load going here. We'll see when we get to the scrapyard how well we did, but I'm happy with it and I had a lot of fun. So we're gonna head on over, get unloaded. I'll see you all over at the scrapyard.